All right, Sai. Bring it down a notch or two. Okay? You ain't gotta do all that. You ain't gotta do all that. Just bring it down a notch or two. Okay. Let's proceed. Let's do some kind of orangey looks. So we're gonna work on this side. We're gonna tap that right on top of that maroon, but kind of bringing it over just a tad. I carried the maroon color way too high, and when I blend the pink in, now it looks like my entire eyelid is covered, and that wasn't what I was going for. I'm gonna add some waterliners because of that. This is how makeup works. You mess up and then you just do something to fix it, because I don't want to start over, basically. I'm doing a wing, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing first before I add my waterliners. Going in with these waterliners by BeatsByDebCosmetics. So I have an old eyeliner brush, liquid liner brush, and I just cleaned it off really good once I was done with that product. I think I'm gonna go in with BelleBeats Glitter. I'm gonna go in with the pink. Isn't that pretty? Something ain't sticking right to me, so I'm going in with the black. Something's just not sitting right. I don't know. So let's see what we're gonna do. Big, go big, go big. All right, Sai, bring it down a notch or two. Okay? You ain't gotta do all that. You ain't gotta do all that. Just bring it down a notch or two. Okay. Okay. Let's proceed. All right, going in with Juvia's Place foundation stick. This is in the color Namibia. I just really hope I'm pronouncing that right. So I'm just gonna take it and make a couple swatches. And it blends like effortlessly. No effort to blending. Literally just kind of patting it in. Going in with Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the shade 12. Let's take a little bit. Going in with LA Pro Girl concealer. This is in the shade, I don't know, dark cocoa. Zork Cocoa, baby. Let's take a little hint of that. Put it in our contour spots. I'm gonna go ahead and have my setting powder by the Crayon Case. This is in the shade Y. Go ahead and have that ready because we're gonna blend this concealer out. Flat Radiance True Complexion palette. Go in with this brown to contour. and we're gonna go ahead and highlight. Let's zoom in for the lashes, okay? I've already trimmed my lashes, okay? So you see how far back I am from the tear duct area. You do not want to put it too close or you're definitely gonna be, your eye's gonna be irritated. And then I'm gonna squeeze them together with my lashes. These are used lashes, so it's a little glue on them, which is kind of making it hard to maneuver today. It looks like the glue is gone. It's basically really tacky and sticky now. So I'm just going to take this lash and place it right on top of my lashes and pushing it in as well because it's going to stick to that glue. And then I'm going to squeeze my lashes and the false lashes together. And voila. But I'm looking down so that I can see if it's any space between my lashes and the false lashes. So that's kind of like the clue to getting them on well. So let's go get dressed and then we'll come back and do some phone footage. We'll take some pictures. We're gonna do all of that. Okay, all of that. I kind of want to be dressed down, but then a part of me want to be girly. I think I'm just gonna go with something dressed down, maybe some joggers, a cute top, so, and some sneakers. Okay, so I picked out this little button-down shirt. I kind of like the plaid print to it. Picked out this little button-down shirt and these Adidas joggers. Now, the problem is the joggers are fine. The shirt is not. I've gained a little weight. A lot of weight, if you ask me. So I cannot completely button up this shirt. So I got to figure out if I'm gonna just wear my sports bra and wear it open, or, you know, I can just tie the I can just tie the bottom of the shirt like this. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna tie the bottom of the shirt like that, and we're gonna pull the pants up, of course, make them look high waist. Okay guys, so here is kind of a full body pic of the joggers with this button down top. And we're gonna leave it open and show the sports bra up under it. I don't feel like slicking these edges, so we gotta put something on our head because we can't be playing ourselves. Okay, we can't be playing ourselves. I have two options. I can wear this little knitted hat here, or I can pull off my fedora hat, which I love. Okay, I love fedora hats in the fall. I love fedora hats, period, but they be popping in the fall. Let's see. Not too bad, not too bad. Definitely a Rastafarian type feel to it. I guess I should pull the purse out that I'm going to wear. It's not a purse, but I'm carrying this bag today, so this would be the look. What you think? What you think? I think no. And I only say no because I'm a fedora girl. So let's see the fedora. You know, look at that, girl. I think that it always do it. It always just bring out that. Yeah, make you dance, make you feel yourself. I think this is gonna be the look today. Really dressed down, really cute, really simple. And I don't know. I think I should wear some kind of belly chain. I don't know. I don't know. Feeling good, y'all. I just be feeling good, feeling. You know, and you know, I gotta do something with this fupa. Cause that baby there is there. And I ain't wearing no kind of Spanx or anything. So I don't look too bad because I ain't got on Spanx, but I look bad because I want my body right. I'm gonna be rocking these Pumas. Okay, because my olive green, are they called Hirachis? I feel like that's a restaurant. Sirajis? Hirachis? I don't know. Karuchis? Whatever they call. I'll put the name on here. I started wearing those to work, so I don't even wear them anymore. Actually, they have holes in them, so it's time to throw them in the trash. Those are like one of my favorite pair of sneakers, and I made them work shoes, so kind of want some more. But you know, the holidays are coming up, so I'm definitely gonna put that on my Christmas list. You know, husband Santa around here. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please take a moment and drop below and let me know what you would want to see in upcoming videos. I do plan on bringing more fashion, more hair. I like the makeup, I like the fashion, but the hair, whew, me and hair fights, okay? Until next time, y'all be safe. Peace, love, and blessings.